Hey everyone, my name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you why you should be using your Reminder app when making a grocery list. Reminders application on your iPhone. At the bottom, select Add List, type in groceries. Select the list type as groceries. I can change the color, select done at the top right corner. Since I added this list type as groceries, watch what happens. At the bottom, I'm going to select new item, type in my grocery list. When I select return, it's automatically going to add my object to what it thinks will be the best place to find that item in the grocery store. Salami found in the deli, ice cream, select return. Now you can move this. If I think that ice cream is actually going to be found in produce, I could select it with my thumb and move it. Going to give me the option to move to frozen food section. Yes, I want that to happen. I'm going to go back down under frozen foods. I'm going to add bread and select return. I'm going to move that to breads and cereals. I like using others because that's going to automatically make it into a category. So I'm going to do salad dressing, click return on my keyboard, ketchup, click return on my keyboard. Now, when I'm in the produce section, I can just go ahead and click off everything that I find while I'm in that area. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll catch you in the next one.